Here we are, feeling a little bit pissed off. I'm sitting here with my Little Miss Princess mug and in my brand new footy boots because, well, my partner hasn't done any dishes recently, and the footy boots, they're more for just trying to break them in before the next game. But let's move on from that. We're here to talk about C# and nullable types. What I've done is I've decided to break these up into about 3 separate tutorials, maybe 4. We'll see how it goes, because there's a little bit of information to cover. Now, some of you might remember before that I mentioned that the hierarchy and that everything leads back into the first overall class and that it branches out like a family tree. Now, string itself is a class, so we can have it as a nullable value, whereas integers are inherently non-nullable, so they always must have a value. But string, because it's a little different, we can have a value like null, and we can actually have something happen from this, where again, as if we were to run this with an integer or something, it's inherently non-nullable because it's it's more of a value type than a class type. Even though, again, it sort of links back into what the computer interprets as separate classes, it's still more of a value type. Now, if I were to run this program, it's not going to do much, but some of you might want to see what it looks like. There we go. So it's just done absolutely nothing, because even though we've told it to write a line, and which it has, A is nothing, absolutely nothing at all. I was going to do some horrible joke about this being like, after this you'll have null problem to worry about, but God, it's just horrible. So that's all we're basically going to talk about this null value. And again, in the next video we'll be moving on to integers and how to make them into nulls, and exactly what we can do from there. So again, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.